What's going on? YouTube, Seymour L06, man. Yeah, man. I guess we're doing this short little interview of Easy Mail. 2 weeks ago, I guess. I guess it's a homecoming tour. So, I haven't checked this one out at all. Everything I'm throwing at you guys, I have not seen. So, I'm waiting on to see what you guys and what's it called? I skipped a little bit of it to. I see they got a lot of people on here, so I just skipped all the way to Easy Mail. No throwing shade to everybody else, but we came here to see Easy Mail. So like, subscribe, all the good things, man. So we're gonna check this one out, man. Here we go.
From ABS-CBN News Online, we got Leo Pucas of Push.com, Bro Bear of Radyo La Verdad 1350, and of course Tessa Mauricio Ariola of Manila Times. Now this man right here doesn't need no introduction. Please welcome Easy Mail, sir.
Yay.
All right, I think you are on mute. There we go. We're just building anticipation. There you have it. So first.
Oh, hello. Hello everybody that's watching. Kumusta sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon? I'm Easy Mill. I'm just super excited. And yeah, this is just gonna be something incredibly huge for everyone. Mas lalo na sa mga local natin na sumasampa rin. And and the OGs paving the way, and actually sa sinabi ni Kuya Glock kanina, sa totoo lang hindi ko lang kung paano sundan. I'm incredibly just speechless by what he said about and masalanan sila Kuya PJ din, and basta maraming salamat lang sa lahat talaga na naging parte nito na para maging posible ito na mangyari para sa ating lahat.
Is this like another tour he's doing? I remember the last tour, and it's like another one, you guys? Let me know.
I just hope
where he coming.
We're just gonna have a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get there and just kill it with everyone, and it's just gonna be super dope.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, Easy, and especially the first leg will happen in your hometown, right? At the SPMA.
Okay.
Baja, yes. 2200. Sir, I just got one question before we open the floor to all our media friends. Let's speak about that viral hit, 17 million hits on YouTube. Panalo, walking into the iconic Push 1075 bus in Hollywood, did you ever think that ganun yung magiging turnout ng performance mo, or you had zero expectations and then you were just blown away by the reception of the people?
Parang yung feeling lang yung bago ko sumampa dun sa mismong bus is there was this electricity running through my body that I didn't necessarily have like a feeling of like a sureness that it would happen the way it did, but because of what the people around me were saying, like mom and everybody else, even people that I just barely met, that I've just heard a little bit of the song, when the album came out, and they were like, yeah, this is the one. So when we went in the bus, and I just I did my thing, kahit na nga pumiyok dun sa dulo, diba? It was just, I guess it was just the moment that it captured it in time. I'm still thankful to Kuya Aaron and everybody that was involved in the Wish Bus for making that happen, of course. So yeah, that video was like a picture in time of me. That was like the music video for Panado, not gonna lie. Just that little, desktop, mic and phone freestyle style, and it was crazy. So today, it's still just still spectacle, and I watch it and it's still crazy how it's still gaining views to this day.
I bet you a lot of stuff is just moving so fast for him. He's trying to keep up, dang, the numbers and all the fans, and I bet he blown away. He didn't expect for this much expectation that he'll be this big and stuff like that, everywhere, man. When his stuff drops, man, it's gonna be crazy.
Yes, sir. Got you crystal clear. And no wonder why you were blessed. You have a very humble heart. You come across like a timid guy, even. But whenever you're on the microphone, you tear it up. You make the ground shake, man. I'm a fan of yours, too. I can't wait for you to step foot in the Philippines, man. Now we would like to acknowledge one media friend we got here. We just joined MJ Marfori of News 5. Man, maraming salamat for coming by. Have a sweet afternoon. Now we open the floor to all our media friends to ask questions on whoever you want to speak to among the lineup of guests, the constellation of stars we got here. First, Jojo Panaligan of Writer.ph asking the first question this afternoon. Jojo, welcome to the show, sir.
Hey, we're just auto insurance, and we're here to save you money. We created a new type of insurance that's affordable.
Skip that.
You there. Hi, thank you. So my first question goes to Easy Mil. Easy, congratulations. We are very excited sa concert mo na to sa Pilipinas. Mas ninenervyos ka ba na dito na sa Pilipinas ang itong concert na to at mga Pilipino halos yung magko-comprise sa audience mo?
Sa totoo lang, hindi rin kasi parang iba na rin yung magiging apekto ng panalo kasi talagang alam mo yun, talagang damang-dama na ng buong katawan tsaka buong pagkatao ng mga yung crowd, yung 'di ba? Iba na yung apekto ng mga Tagalog na kanta. It's I don't know, it's just gonna be a different vibe. So parang, and plus I grew up in the Philippines, so you know, it's just gonna feel like home. So it's just gonna feel all the more comfortable than I already do.
Mas komportable ka kaysa mas ninenervyos because this is home, no? Hindi ko lang naiintindihan yung concept ng show. Will it be a back-to-back show with Glock 9 and Darren Espanto, or will you be collaborating then on stage? You be doing numbers together?
Meron po mga mix ng merong mga some songs na merong kasamang collab, and it'll still be a surprise for when, you know, y'all see and come through. Go get y'all tickets, y'all see what'll happen.
How would you, my last two questions, how would you describe your concert persona? Like we know sa recording mabangis ka, pero as a concert performer, who are you?
As a performer, I guess I'm just myself. I can't necessarily be anybody else. You know, I'm gonna try to do my best on, you know, replicating as to what I did on my records. Pero at the end of the day, live is live. You know, I'm just gonna be the best I can be, whether it's me performing my songs or trying to perform other people's songs. It's just I have respect for how a song's crafted, and you know, whether I perform it, mess it up, still keep going.
Okay, thanks. I wonder if Reigning Sorrow is still there.
Yes, she's still here.
Hi, can I ask you a question, please? Hi, Reigning Sorrow. Light question lang to, no? I wonder how you feel that since sumabog si Easy Mil sa buong mundo because of his music, now a lot of girls find him so hot. How does that feel for you bilang sister niya?
It doesn't affect me. He has a girlfriend.
Hey,
Sorry.
keep it real. He has a girlfriend. He
I
know.
mean, as his sister.
Sister.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, how does it feel? Yung fame ni Easy Mil, yun na lang ang question ko.
About his fame?
Yes.
I mean, it's cool. He's doing what he loves. I'm proud of that.
How do you support him?
I tell him great job when, like, he really needs it.
Dang, I thought it was a girlfriend.
Well, thank you. I hope to see you here in the Philippines then. Thank you, guys.
That's dope.
All right, thank you so much.
How about sa si Glock 9, kasi I'm so happy nakita ko si Glock 9 na isa sa pinaka-humble and the best rap artist in the Philippines. Kasi one time makita ko siya sa isang guesting namin before. Alam mo, kahit maliit lang na concert or event, si Glock 9 nasa likod talaga nagpa-practice. Sabi ko parang ang laki-laki ng crowd para i-practice yung ganun yung kakantayin niya. Ano yung influences sa'yo ni Glock 9 at may plan na ba kayo or any collaboration music video with Glock 9, Easy Me?
In terms of Glock just being an inspiration, I mean, since bata pa lang yan, yung mga kanta niya na nag-i-spread around na dina-download pang pa MP3 na binu-bluetooth sa mga Nokia noon. Like all those files getting passed around in high school, those were like the times, man. So, si Kuya Aris, Glock 9, the Blicky, he will always have a special place in my heart. Like, even through childhood and just being there through times that, kasi syempre sa minsan yung maghanap ka ng, music na talagang naiintindihan mo. Tapos kapag yun lang, makikita mo na kung ano yung pinapakinggan ng mga kaibigan mo. Tapos sinasabi nila, pakinggan mo to, ito yung bagong labas. Sila Black na yan. Tapos kasama mo, ano pa yung mga bagsakan. Just them going crazy like that. I didn't know what we were saying. I was just going, but it was just good times.
All right.
It's just, yeah.
Okay, okay lang Adam for Glock 9 naman itong next question.
Yes, Brother Bear, feel free, but I'm gonna have to charge you after. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead, sir.
Okay lang. Anyway, for Glock 9 naman, Glock 9, halos ang mga song ni Izemil, lalo na yung Panalo, talagang Panalo, napaka makabayan ng song. Halos mga songs mo, ganun din na nakikita ko eh. Kung meron ka pang sasabihin for Izemil na pwedeng, isang kuya advice, ano kaya iyon? At kung maggagawa ka ng isang song na makakakulab mo si Izemil, anong pwedeng content or anong laman ng isang song na to, Glock 9?
Siguro kung dun sa kanta, I think maganda pagka magkasama na kami ni Easy. Tapos if ever gagawa kami para at least talagang collaborative siya. Wala na akong mahihiling pa pagdating sa mga capabilities ni Easy pagdating sa pagsulat ng lyrics and paggawa ng melodies and even sa paggawa ng instrumentals and beats. So, complete package na si Easy. Siguro kung meron man akong may advice kay Easy, mahalin niya lang yung ginagawa niya. Kasi mahalin niya lang. Para narinig ko din to, sinabi din to ni Kobe sa isang interview niya, treat your dream as an actual person. Have a relationship with your dream. Para ako naalala ko ng mga times na nagsisimula ako, kinakausap ko pa yung pangarap ko eh. Like halimbawa, kinakausap ko mismo yung rap. Na parang if I didn't do well in a performance, I talk to rap na parang sayang di natin nagawa yan. Or if I do good, sinasabi ko na congrats sa atin. Have a relationship. Talagang parang have an actual relationship with your dream. That way, magagawa mong mahalin yung craft mo and eventually it loves you back. So yun lang naman pwede kong ibigay kay Easy.
I never heard that before. That's pretty deep. Have a relationship with your dreams. You always hear, follow your dreams and stuff, it will come true, but have a relationship with your dreams? That's new. I never heard that one before. That's super deep.
At mga nandito ngayon ng mga nagra-rap din. If you do that, at alam mo na meron kang bit-bit na walang bit-bit ng iba, eventually may mangyayari.
Which Easy already actually addressed. So let me actually just follow up on Jarrell's question. I think both for Glock and Easy, who is your Mount Rushmore in Pinoy rap? Living or, has passed on already. Top 5 favorite rap stars. We start with Sir Glock. I think you could, freely include Aristotel Polisco in there.
I'm here to
homeschooling environment.
Religion has been removed from our schools.
You guys are
Teaching
so
kids
skip
that they
this.
don't need.
Parang hindi ko na
Oh,
yata,
man.
mali yata pagsali ko yung sarili ko sa ano, sa Rushmore na yan. Mahirap talaga, pero kasi minsan kasi pag nagsalita ka ng ganyan, nag-name ka ng names, minsan naka-quote ka yan din na nalalagay sa pangit na ilaw, no? Pero for me, syempre, sa akin lang, kapag ilalagay mo sa seniority and kung ano talaga yung contribution and nagawa nung mga artist na ito. Siyempre, una sa list ko si Francis Magalona, no doubt, no? Walang katanong-tanong dyan. Si Andrew E., isa yan, siyempre. Senior natin yan. Sa mga bago ngayon, madami eh. Ang dami-daming magagaling talaga eh. Kung ma-on the spot ako at mag-iisip ako kung sino tingin ko na mahusay talaga. Kanina lang, nung nag-Facebook ako, may nakita ako isang verse ni Looney, ni Marlon Peroramas. Isa si Looney sa pinakamatalino magsulat. Napakatalino magsulat yan. Wag mo siyang hahamunin pagdating sa sulatan. Kasi mapapalaban ka talaga at medyo mauubos lahat ng bit-bit mo. Isa si Loons, sino po ba? Napakadami kasi hindi ko Si Easy Mill. Isama ko yan, si Easy. Sorry Easy, sasama na kita. Kasi tinitingnan ko din kung ano yung dala-dala ng artist. Madali lang mag-rap eh. I mean, sorry kung makakuta ko. Madali lang magtugma. Madali lang mag-rhyme ng words. Madali lang magsulat ng, magkatugma yung dog sa, ano bang katugma ng dog? Hotdog. So, madali lang magganyan. Pero, mahirap magsulat ng may laman. Madaling magpastig sa rap. Napakadaling magpastig sa rap. Pero mahirap gumawa ng hit. Mahirap gumawa ng rap na gusto ng ibang tao. Madaling gumawa ng rap na gusto ng tropa mo. So yan, isa si Easy sa nakikita ko na when it comes to musicality, tumutugtog yan. Magaling kumanta. Pag ang rapper, pag medyo nai-impress ako sa isang rapper na marunong kumanta. Impressed ako dyan. Kasi agad-agad, lamang ka agad yan eh. Lamang na yan. So, isa si Easy. Ilan na ba yan? 3? Top 5 ba? Top 5?
Top 5. You've already mentioned 4.
4 na, di ba? So, may isa pa. Sino ba? Ang daming mga bago eh. Kung magsasama-samahin ko yan, si Smuglass, magaling yan. Kung magbabanggit pa ako ng iba yan, si Al James, si Shanty Dope. Pag narinig mo boses ni Shanty Dope, wala ka nang tatanungin pa. Si Shanty Dope yan eh. Sino pa? Dagdagan na natin, wag top 5.
Sige, sir.
Sino pa ba? Yung mga... Ayan, minsan yung pinaka-obvious, yun yung mga hindi mo maano eh, regardless of what other people say sa kanila, yung mga tropa natin sa ex-battalion, pagka tinuro mo si Skastakli at sinabi mo kay Skastakli, rap ka, Brad.
Give me some Glock 9, you know what I'm saying? Is he pretty dope? You know, give me some of his stuff. You know, check his music out.
Manda ka na, tali mo na yung sarili mo sa silya mo, kaya si Archie, si Flo G, alamunin ganyan, napakinggan niya na ba yung mga, pag napakinggan niya, minsan sinasabi mo, masyado ka namang, tama ba yun? Masyado ka namang kiss tooth, ganyan. Sorry, pero yun talaga eh, kahit ako, hindi mo ma-deny, undeniably good talaga yung mga yan. Narinig mo na ba yung mga rhyme schemes ni Flo G sa kanyang G-Wolf? Medyo matutumba ka talaga eh. Ayan eh, so yan. Yun, plus yung marami pa, no? Hindi ko masabi ngayon lahat kasi ang dami-daming magaling. And I'm very happy na ganun ang sitwasyon. So,
Yes, sir. That's a good problem to have, right? Wala kang mapagkasya sa top 5. Ibig sabihin, buhay na buhay ang Pinoy rap and hip-hop.
Okay. I don't know what he was saying. I remember they were saying, what's your top 5? But he was talking for a long time for a top 5, so I don't know. So if he was saying his top 5, what they do for him, what he think about the top 5, or I don't know, but that was a long top 5. But yeah, what his top 5? Let me know in the list in the comments, man. But yeah.
Hindi natin na-mention, siguro, syempre, shout out to Mike Swift, we got Price Tag, everybody else actually, sobrang dami nga. So, I'm sorry I had to put you through that, Sir Glock, na kinailangan
walang problema. Sabihan na lang kita pagka nabash ako online, ha?
Sige po. Okay, I think I'm gonna get myself in trouble too, but hey, it's all good vibes here. Gusto ko lang rin i-reiterate kanina yung sinabi rin ni Sir Jorel na if only Sir Francis was alive, no? Can you imagine? Actually, I was speaking to Elmo Magalona. Sabi ko, bro, imagine if there's a Wish Bus performance of Kaleidoscope World. Can you just imagine, bro? I'm having goosebumps talking about it. I was teary-eyed mentioning that to Elmo Magalona. Di ba? Or bagsakan with Chito and Glock and Kiko aboard the bus. That could have been bonkers. Right now, before we ask the other guests, top 5 mo muna, Easy Mill.
My top 5, man. Siguro, kung isipin ko, syempre, isipin ko yung sa akin din nung nasa high school ako, syempre si Kuya Aris, Glock 9, tapos sila Kuya Looney, and then Delo, and then I would say now, like, of course, the current ones, sila Flo G, Flo, like, his flows are crazy. Basta na yung, ewan kung ano yung kanta na yun na parang, nandun siya sa may, yung kanta, tapos yung lyrics parang umaapir-apir ng mabilis. Basta yung kanta, his flow there was crazy, like the patterns. He cooked up some stuff that is forever gonna stay on the game on that one. So, like, props. Tapos, alin pa ba? One of the other ones that sila Tanikala, and then like some of the guys, yung mga tropa dun sa bandang Sagapo, hello for 7 over them, and of course the late Francis M, and as you guys mentioned, dapat nga talaga merong wish sa Kaleidoscope World na wala din. And Kuya Andrew E. And man, lumagpas na ako sa limo, diba?
It's all good, man.
Yeah. There's just so many to mention that are just like, they're killing it in their own lane, specifically Skusta, like that zombie music video, grabe yung pagkakagawa nila dun, yung kanta nila Kuya Aris. That was like a movie, bro. I was there for it. I was one of the first ones to watch it. I was so excited. That was nice. And Gio Owens as well. Like, one of the guys that, like, like was there with like the 24 bar sounds, and we were just like, yo, grabe yung mabilis na flow niya. Minsan ako rin sinubukan ko sabihin on the spot yung sinulat ng lyrics na sinulat, hindi ko kaya. And yeah, so much killers nowadays, man. Like on all genres and every single lane, they found their pocket that has like a little mix of the other thing, and it's just like a uniqueness overload, like and exciting, like even to meet everyone, just to get like a conversation out of them,
Yes, sir. Hanin. True. Maraming salamat for mentioning those names. And I'm sure, since nabanggit mo rin kanina, di ba, yung mga tropa mo sa Gapo, pare, I mean, there's so many diamonds in the rough, right? And Sir Glock would attest to this. I mean, unheard of names, di ba, rapping on the streets, di ba, in the wee hours, sobrang dami. And that's why, yun nga, with all the humility, which one...
Oh, it's over?
Just Auto Insurance.
Oh, so I guess it's over. Ain't that something?
Here's how it works. You only pay for the miles you drive. When you need more miles...
Sorry, guys. It's over. But, man, shoot, man, that was super dope, man. Might find a full interview, whatever this is, man. I hope you guys liked it. It was a long journey, but we sat here and did it. Super dope. I thought she was his girlfriend. It was his sister. Hey, but yeah, man, it's super dope, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Let me know what else you guys want me to check out. Easy Mail. And man, yeah. I'm about to check out some more reactions for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. LO6 is out of here. Like, share, follow, all that good things, man. See y'all.